to add a event to your iCalendar, you just go down to your iCalendar icon, open it up, and there's a couple ways you can add an event. You can go to File and click on New Event. I already have Dinner with Dave already in there, so that's what I want to add. It's going to add it to today's date, and you can go in here and set the location if you want. We're going to splurge, and we're going to go to Burger King, I guess, and you can say that you're going to meet from 8 to 9 p.m. You can leave like that, or you can go in and edit it. I'm going to save it into my Mac under my home folder. If you want an alert, you can do an email, and you change the time. You can do hours before, 15 minutes before isn't going to be enough time, obviously. And then just click done, and it should pop up and say that it's sending me. Yep, there we go. Send me an email. Let's say that I want to add something in over here to this. Let's say on the 5th of February, and we'll just say it's a doctor's appointment. Okay, and we can go in and adjust the time. It's going to be on the 5th of February, obviously. We'll leave it just as that. We don't need to have it all day, though. We'll set it from, 12 p.m. is good to 1 p.m. would be fine on the 5th. If you just want it to be all day, you can leave it like that, and it would just block off the whole day for you. Again, I'm going to change it to home on my Mac, because that's where I want it. If I want to be alerted, I can go ahead and click on this and ask for an email to have me reminded. I'm going to go ahead and do hours before, just in case I forget, and we'll do done. And it should do the same thing again. Go ahead and send me an email and stuff. To get rid of an appointment, say you cancel, decide not to go, you just click on it and do a delete, and we'll just do the same with this. Click on it and do delete, and they're gone. So that's how you add and delete events to your iCalendar. Okay, so right now I'm going to create a burn folder. It's a pretty cool thing that Apple has built into their systems. You just go up under here, under File, and you click on New Burn Folder, and it pops up over here. And I can go in and like name this. I'll just call it Jim's. Oops. Stuff. Sorry. Okay. Now, what I want to do now is take the things that I want to burn to a CD or DVD and add it to this file. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just lasso these three things here. I got 3 Word documents and a cute little JPEG of a dog. So we'll take those and we'll just drag them into that folder. And they should all be in there. Okay, they're all in that folder. And then once you fill this folder up, you can keep it on your desktop and just keep putting things in there that you need. Once you got it all filled up, you click on Burn, and it's going to tell you to insert a blank disk. I don't have any to insert, but if you did, you would go ahead and just put it in your CD drive, and it will start to burn to that disk, and it'll be labeled as Jim Stuff on the disk, and you'll have everything burned to a CD or a DVD. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can just keep that there on your desktop, keep adding stuff to it. It's great for a class or whatever, but that's how you create a burn file. Okay, so right now I'm going to add and delete a user. So what you want to do is you go up to your Apple and go to System Preferences and go down to Systems and go under Users and Groups. Open that up, and you want to add a user. You would click on this plus symbol here. First, I need to unlock my my computer so that I can do that because I have it locked up. Okay, now we can go ahead and add a user. We'll just call him John Smith, and his account name will be John Smith. We'll just put in a password for him, and we'll verify the password. And then down here you could put a hint if you wanted to help John Smith remember his password. Click on Create User, and the fan wheel will spin as it adds the user. Okay, now that's added the user, it's picked an icon automatically for you, but there are several that you can pick and choose from. So now we can go into John Smith, the user, and delete him. Click on the minus sign. I don't want to delete that. I want to delete that stuff. Delete user, and he is gone. Lock your system back up, and you are done. You've created and deleted a user. Yeah, out of one of my Word documents. I already have it open down here, so let me go ahead and click on it, open it up. Here's the Word document. To create a PDF, you're just going to go over here to File and do a Save As, and then you'll name it, of course, to whatever it has to be. Save it where you want to be saved to. Actually, I'm going to change this to desktop, and then I'm going to change this, the format. You can change the format to whatever you want, but I'm going to make it a PDF. And then we'll do save. Okay, it has saved it. Let's go ahead and close that out and go ahead over here and open it up. And you'll see that it is now in a PDF format. It's that Adobe Reader up here is opened up, and everything's there saved, so you can actually lock it and save it so nobody can make changes to your PDF and that kind of stuff. So that's how you create a PDF with Word. So now I'm going to screen capture just one section of the screen. On the Mac, you do Shift, Command, and 4, and you will see these crosshairs come up. You click, hold, and drag, and then when you let go, it will automatically take a picture of that. And there it is over here. Now we can open it up to see it. And there it is. Your screen capture shows you when it was captured and taken and all that good stuff. So that's how you do it. Do a Shift, Command 4, and then capture what you want. I'll show you how to do an audio recording using QuickTime Player. You would go down to your dock, select QuickTime Player, go up here to File, and click on New Audio Recording. And you would see a red dot. You would click on that to start recording. We are now recording, so now I am doing an audio recording. Then it will be saved to my desktop. Let's go ahead and stop it, and we can play it back to listen to it. So now I am doing an audio recording. Okay, we like it, so we'll go ahead and save it. We'll just call it voice over, I guess. I don't know what else to call it. We'll save it to my desktop. And there it is. It's over here as a saved to your desktop, and you can click on it and open it up and listen to it, or add it to a podcast or whatever you need to do with it. That's how you do a voice recording with QuickTime. Multi-homing for our networks. You can go up here to your Wi-Fi and you can click on Open Network Preferences here. Or you can go over here to the Apple, and select System Preferences, and then you would go down to your networks, choose that, and then go to this drop-down box here with a little arrow, and then you want to set the service order. And this is going to allow the computer, or tell the computer what and Ethernet connection to look for first. So mine, I have my Ethernet set up as first, Wi-Fi as second. I only have two, but if you work for a company, you might have a third option. But you would just choose whatever one you want to be first, move it up, and that makes it first. So if that would go out for some reason, it would immediately go to the next connection and start using that, and that would hopefully eliminate any downtime for you whatsoever. But since I have I just have the Ethernet, which is what I primarily use, and then I have Wi-Fi, which I don't use much, but those are my two options. And you just hit OK, and then that's it. You have your changes set, and I want to apply them. Yes. So there we go. Multi-homing is set. web text. I got a page pulled up here. First thing you can do is you can click on view, and you can just zoom in, and it will zoom in the whole page. I'm sorry. We'll go ahead and zoom in, and then we'll zoom in again, and we'll just continue to enlarge the page. We can go back to actual size. We can do view and zoom text only, and then we can do view, zoom in, and it will make the text larger only and not the pictures. But it can get a little bit garbled down here once it gets too far, so you know you can only use it so long. You can also use your mouse pad and just use your fingers and zoom in like on an iPad or an iPhone, or you can just double tap and it will take you in the preset determination, and tap back again, it'll just take you back to normal size. So that's the 3 ways that you can use to enlarge your text and or your screens on your MacBook Pro. Okay, so now I'm going to change my homepage on my browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari. As you can see, right now I have it set to Google. We're going to go into Safari. We'll go into Preferences, and you can see it's set there to Google. We're going to go to the Apple page, and I'm going to go back into Preferences and set the current page to be my home page, and you can see it changed to Apple. We'll close that out. We'll close out Safari. We'll go down and open up Safari, and you can see it opens up with the Apple as my home page again. So now we can go back into Preferences, and you can set your default browser here to whatever you want: Safari, Firefox, your default search engine, and then you can have it like your home page for any new windows that you open up. You can have that set to your bookmarks or an empty page, or however you want a new page to open up. I'm going to close that out. We'll go back to Google, and we'll go back in there to Preferences, and we'll just go ahead and change that back to Google. So now that that's changed, we'll quit this. We'll open up Safari back up, and you can see it's opens up with Google again. So it's changed back to Google. So that's how you change your homepage setting for your browser. Bookmarks to your Safari. We'll go ahead and click on Safari. We got Google there loaded. I'm going to just go ahead and search for Full Sail. Like I don't already have this one saved. But okay, so I got Full Sail popped up. I'm going to add it as a bookmark. We'll click on Add Bookmark, and we can have it added to the bookmark menu, which is your regular bookmark, or we could change it to the bookmarks bar right here, and that's your bookmark bar is just here up at the top. But we'll go ahead and just add it to the bookmarks menu, and we'll just leave it there. But you can change the name if you want to. If you want it to just say Full Sail, you can just have it say Full Sail University, and that's it. And you click on Add. Now we'll go ahead and go back to Google. We'll go ahead and go to Bookmarks. I already have added it earlier, so we'll go ahead and click on it, and there it is. It brings it up for you. If you want to get rid of it, you would click on the little book over here type thing, and here's your choices over here. You got your history, your bookmark bar, which is this here again, and the bookmark menu. So here it is right here. We would take it and we would double click on it and just do a delete, and it will take that bookmark away so you don't have it in there anymore. And that's how you add and delete your bookmarks.